First reason and foremost, the safety of plant cannot be guaranteed. The Bataan nuclear power plant was constructed near a geological fault line and a potentially active volcano, Mount Natip. The risk of earthquake or volcanic activity in the area cannot be ignored, especially in a country like ours that is highly vulnerable to natural disaster. The Chernobyl and Fukushima disaster are stark reminders of what can go wrong with nuclear plants, even in technologically advanced countries. Can we afford to take the risk with our people and environment? Second reason, high cost and economic viability. Reopening the Bataan nuclear power plant would require extensive retrofitting and modernization to meet today's safety and operational standards. Experts estimate that this could cost billions of dollars money that could be better spent on more sustainable and safer energy solutions. Furthermore, the operational cost of running a nuclear power plant, including safe management and decommissioning, are prohibitively high. For a developing countries like the Philippines, this investment might not yield the return we expect. Last and third reason, nuclear waste management. Another critical issue in the problem of nuclear waste. Even if the Bataan nuclear power plant operates safely, it will produce radioactive waste that remains hazardous for 1,000 years. The Philippines currently lacks the infrastructures and expertise to handle such waste responsibility. Without a long-term waste management solution, reopening the plant poses grave environmental risk.